friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. So today we're gonna make something super fun. I bought the pieces to this, most of them, such a long time ago, and I showed you guys when I did a Dollar Tree haul and we talked about it, but we're finally gonna do it. So if you have ever seen, they make these things for kids, they're called Smashers. So I'm sure that they make ones for girls. I have grandsons, so I only know about the dinosaur ones and the car ones, but you like smash it open and it's got directions and little pieces, and everything's in like magic sand and slime and stuff like that. So I thought that it would be fun to make a DIY one. Now I'm gonna make this one for my grandsons just as something to go in their Easter basket. Of course, there are so many different ways that you can make this. I just want to give you the idea. You can put anything in it that you want. You can make it as expensive as you want or as inexpensive as you want. It's going to be a super versatile project. Now I'm doing this for Easter. You can do it for all different kinds of things. You know, I also thought that it would be fun. You could, like, you know, for like maybe Christmas or birthday or something special for like a big gift, you could take this and you could put like little notes on where to find things. You can number like the little bags, you know, 1 through whatever, put little notes in there, like maybe wrap it in a little cellophane so that it doesn't get gooky, and then they can go through and like hunt for the clues to go find whatever. You could even put money in these for a graduation present. Like, there are so many different like fun ideas you can do. So I just wanted to give you like the basic idea when I thought about this, okay? So also you can use, you know, whatever kind of slime that you want. You can add stuff to your slime. You could use magic sand. You can make your own slime. I had originally planned on making my own slime. I just don't really have time, so I bought slime. This is from Five Below. It was $5 for the tub. I got blue and red. And again, you know, like there's all kinds of like different things that you can put in there and, you know, mix in with your slime if you want to. Now, so you need your slime, magic sand, whatever you're gonna use your container to put them in. So I am using eggs because I'm doing it for Easter, and then some Ziploc bags. Listen, if you have an IKEA near you and you don't use the IKEA Ziploc bags, they are so good. They have so many different sizes. I thought these were the small ones, but they're not, but it is okay. So I need 10 of them. Because I'm gonna make 5 for each of the eggs. Now, I do have smaller bags that I put these in, but I want the pink because I want the pastel colors for the Easter eggs. So we're gonna use these. I'll put this stuff over to the side for now. I've got some tape to tape the eggs after, and then I've got these little sets. So I got these from the Dollar Tree, just as a little basket thing. Again, you can make it as expensive or inexpensive as you want. So I got, for both eggs, it's gonna be the same thing. So I've got this guy, this guy, and then I got different pieces, parts for them. So I'm going to open up my slime. And I could mix it up, but I think that I'm actually going to do each one in their own individual color. Now, as far as the slime goes, you can do as much or as little as you want. I'm just going to toss my trash off to the side for now, and then I'll pick it up when I'm done. So I'm going to just put each one that's going to go in the bag with some slime. Now the big guy's definitely going to be harder to slime up, but I just cover him up and he'll be good, because the whole idea is them just having to pick the slime off and out of stuff. I'm just going to kind of smush them all down. And look, I got plenty of leftover slime for next time. You know, I was also thinking while I was doing it, if you didn't want to like do them separately in a container like that, like I would probably take the sticker off and just like put my own thing around it. But you could also just take the bucket and just mix all kinds of stuff for them to find in the slime. And then I'm just gonna flatten them all out because I want to gooky the slime all in there. Why does the sticker always have to leave residue? I'll have to take some Goo Gone to that. Now, I'm not going to do it right now, and I don't know if I'll have time to show you guys because I do have to work the next 6 days. I have to work on Easter also. I do plan on using my Cricut. This on, and putting their names over top of, you know, like down each one. Tape them so that they don't come undone. And you know, you could put some stickers on them, which I'm going to be putting their names on a couple different things, so I might actually just cover these in stickers. How cute is this, right? All right, I'm going to go on fast mode and we'll do the other one real quick. You can't see him, but Reese is sitting in the chair with me. He's so cute, his little jowls. All right, so here are my Easter smashers, one for each of them, and they'll go in their baskets. So cute. So with the slime and everything, these things were a little under 15 bucks a piece. Again, you can make them as expensive or inexpensive as you want. You could bake your own slime, and you could use your Cricut, put, you know, their name down here. You could, you know, put whatever, decorate however. You could use whatever container. Again, if you wanted, you could also just use the slime and bury stuff in the slime buckets. Those were $5 from Five Below. So anyways, I thought it was super cute, and I hope you like it, and I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful rest of your day. I'll see you later, friends. Bye.